transformation of energy or the law of conservation of energy. This is a simple oscillator. Alright, here the two nuts we are tied up with the help of thread. Then the iron stand is making for this, and here now these two nuts which are tied, they are in a stationary state now. What I am doing, I am applying a force. Now I am taking behind it just like a swing. So here which energy is stored? Potential energy. If I release, what is happen? There is a conversion between potential to the kinetic, and this nut is only coming in the motion. We are not giving force to this. So what happened? That we have to see here. So this nut is moving, no doubt. But at the same time, some second is later on, this second nut is also moving, correct or not?
Yes.
So energy is transferred from this nut to this nut, and this nut, the previous nut is now become steady or it is stationary, correct or not?
Yes.
See here, now this is become steady and this is now in motion. After some time, this will come in motion and this will become steady. See here, this will become steady now. My finger on this second bolt, who is now in the become steady state. Yes, it is completely now very slow position and it is totally moving, correct or not?
Yes.
After some time, see here, totally stop. Now it is moving and it will become now stop. So energy is transferred from one nut to the another nut. So we can very easily understand that energy can't be created, neither be destroyed. Only one form of energy is transferred to the another form, and the total energy of the universe remains constant. This is called as law of conservation of energy. I hope you understand.
Yes.
Thank you.